Hi, this is Barbara Lukowiak from barbaralukowiak.com, and today I invite you to relax your mind, body and spirit. Let's begin. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Take a nice deep breath by the nose and on the exhale say, I relax my body. And now imagine that you have threads attached to your shoulders blades. They run up where they connect with the third thread hooked inside your head, exactly in the middle of it. These three threads merge above your head and pull your head, neck, shoulders up. Just pull the threads up. And now let yourself to feel like your back is getting straight, the vertebrae are getting longer, the spaces between the vertebrae are getting bigger. Now you are sitting straight and comfortable. Move your face muscles. Make a few grimaces. Let your jaw drop down. Move your arms. My arms and hands are relaxed. Feel your spine. My back is relaxed. And breathe. Pull in and relax your belly. My belly and breast are relaxed. Pay attention to your buttocks. Get better on the chair. My pelvis and hips are relaxed. Move the muscles of the legs and feet. My legs and feet are relaxed. Now take a deep breath and on the exhale say, my whole body are relaxed. And now imagine that you breathe in through your navel, your breath rises to your throat and then falls to your navel, where you breathe out. Imagine that the breath begins around the navel, rises to the throat, then falls and goes out through your navel. Associate this movement with a sea wave rising along the shore, sinking and falling back into the sea. Let your breath rise from the navel to the throat, fall and escape calmly like a wave on a seashore. Don't try to control your breathing. Just care about visualizing your breath going through your navel, rising, falling, and going out through your belly button. Don't force anything, just be in this rhythm. Take a few those breaths now. Very good. Now take a deep breath through your navel and when you exhale, say, Now I am clearing my mind. Take a deep breath through the navel, and on the exhale, say, "My mind is cleansed." All the sound from the outside only intensify my silence and encourage me to go deep into myself. I am always safe and secure. Take a deep breath through the navel, and on the exhale, say, "I enter my inner silence." Take a deep breath through your belly button, and on the exhale, say, "I am in my inner silence." And be there for the moment and breathe. And watch your breath. Very good. In a moment, you will return with your consciousness to the room where you are. I will count from 1 to 3, and on 3, you will find yourself here and now, and you will feel great. You will feel ready to take on today's challenges. 1, 2, 3. You are here and now. You can smile back to yourself, to you full of new, wonderful opportunities that have already opened up to you because you decided so. Thank you. It was Barbara Lukowiak from barbaralukowiak.com.